Marshall. Welcome to Food Power TV. So many restaurants have great concepts today. Beautiful exteriors, divine decor packages. But often when I sit at the table and look around, I don't see much personality. And if, as I look around, I can't see anything that piques my curiosity, that tells me about the story of the restaurant, the people who've created it, why I should come back, what else do they do, then how am I going to talk about it? How am I going to spread the word? How am I going to help the restaurant create a buzz? So here are a few tips to help you create that buzz. Make sure that at the entrance that you repeat the name, the logo, the tagline of your restaurant at least 5 times. Differently, in a different look, but at least 5 times. So before I enter, I know the name of your restaurant. Tip 2, I recommend you sit in different seats in your restaurant as if you were a guest and look around and see what you see. Do you see something that invites you to order a beautiful glass of wine or a draft beer? Do you see an entrance to private dining that would pique the curiosity for me to come back and give a party? What do you see? And number 3, your menu, anything that's on your table, a table tent, and a note in your check presenter are all free methods of you to give the guest a message. That's today's video tip. And I'm Phyllis Ann Marshall reminding you, never underestimate the power of food.